down on the upper deck at all times. That is because our captain, Tim, who's right behind me, can't see where he's going if we keep on getting up, and if he can't see, he'll bump into things, and I don't think we want him to bump into anything we shouldn't be bumping into. I don't really want to swim. I washed my hair yesterday, and I don't think I want any water from the Thames on it today, so let's all stay sat down. And as well, if we keep on getting up, people behind us, you can't see what's going on. So I'll get started, now that we have gotten all this out of the way. My colleague Bruce is at the front there, helping out move the seats. If you need any help from him, he'll be downstairs later. We've also got Marion in the shop if you want any drinks, snacks, alcoholic beverages. I won't judge. That is all downstairs for you. But now we are about to go on the Westminster Bridge, which is ahead of you. Green in colour. Amazing. Great. Going downstairs, so if you want to keep him company later, he will be downstairs. So on our right is the new Palace of Westminster. I know it doesn't look very new, it's definitely newer than the medieval version of the palace that used to be there before. This one was built between the 1840s and 1870s, and it's built in a neo-Gothic style, meaning it's meant to look older than what it is. Now that we're getting a bit closer, if you look above the ground floor doors and windows, there's an inscription carved along all the way around the building. That is the Lord's Prayer in Latin, put there to ward off evil spirits. I don't think it's doing a very good job. That's just my opinion though, but that is what it's there for. Those two coloured tents that you see there, one red, one green, that is to represent the House of Lords and the House of Commons. The House of Commons is green, their upholstery inside the chamber is green, and the House of Lords is red. So those two things you see there are the eating and drinking areas, because they can't eat or drink together. Once you're inside the House of Parliament, the two houses are completely split. A fact that not many people like about those two tents is the fact that the MPs don't pay tax on alcohol. So if you go around the pub here, you might pay £4 or £5 for a pint of beer. They pay 89p for a pint of beer because they don't pay tax. I don't like that fact, but I feel like sharing it, see if we can start a petition maybe. I don't think it's going to do anything, but you never know. Ahead of us, the three identical buildings you can see as we turn around are the Florence Nightingale Awards, part of St. Thomas Hospital. They're actually 7 identical buildings, so they got nicknamed after which day of the week. Monday to Sunday. We've now only got Friday, Saturday and Sunday left. Last days of the week anyway, if you are. So just don't get ill on a weekday, or else you won't have anywhere to get to. Probably not true, but you never know. So we've got the Victoria Tower again on the Houses of Parliament.